But I have done the work. The work is already tendered. Work order is issued, both for the compound wall as well as the police station. I am not happy with the design of the police station because it is a village police station. So I told the facade. I have told the chief architect, please change the facade because let it look like a village police station. We are going to shortly start work. Shortly we will lay the foundation stone. Work order, everything. I want to complete. I want to clear all the bottlenecks. Survey amount. Or as per pending, survey done. Within 8 days, I got the survey done. There is a forest license to be done. I am getting the forest license also. I don't want anything illegal to be done there. So I am after these people to do everything properly and systematically. Hopefully, in another 10 days to 15 days, we are going to lay the foundations stone. And I will see that within 1 year, I will take personal interest. I will go after the contractor like a mad dog to see that the police station is complete. Bifurcation of Curtorim feeder and alternate supply via Davali to Curtorim 7.49 crores. Cable complete झाले. RMBs completed and commissioned already. So therefore now trippings will be less on the Curtorim supply. आता supply and erection of transformers झाले. Almost 4 transformers झाले. One in Bati, one in Novado, one in Eklat and one in Ashwini Raya. ते complete झाला तो complete झाला. त्याच भितर अनेकूय झाला. कमर्शियल एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर झाला. विराबाट एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर झाला. Supply at Tembi, supply and erection of one number at Tembi झाला. Almost the work is going on. Curtorim underground 52 crores 31 lakhs and 52 crores 31 lakhs I will give the work orders. Work order दिली and shortly work will start. Renovation of LT lines in Curtorim 12 crores almost work order दिन काम start झाला.